You know, this is the first time this Asian Science Camp takes place in Israel.
The 6th Asian Science Camp, held in August 2012, was hosted for the first time in Jerusalem, Israel. Traditionally held in a different Asian country each year, the Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs coordinated with the Hebrew University to gather over 300 young scientific minds from 23 Asia-Pacific countries, as well as 5 Nobel laureates and 25 esteemed scientists in physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. The Australian delegation consisted of 8 students, who were selected from high-scoring participants in an Australian-wide science competition, or who attended the Australian Science Olympiad last year.
You don't have time. You have to gallop. You have to move ahead. You have to be curious and learning and trusting and changing.
After the welcoming ceremony and brief introductions with the other delegations on Saturday night, Sunday saw the commencement of lectures, which over the next 5 days discussed subjects from adventures in drug discovery to quantum computing. With growing importance placed upon diplomatic ties, economics laureate Robert J. Ullman's lecture on game theory in regard to international relations was apt for an international audience.
What is the one word that is the underlying word in the underlying idea in economics and game theory? And that word is incentives.
Chemistry laureate Aaron Shechenova, famous for his part in the discovery of ubiquitin-mediated protein degradation, understands the future needs personalized medicine.
It's not like a suit. Current medicine is exactly like a pajama. We cannot tailor it to the individual, we tailor it to a big population.
Professor Nissim Bevan-Nissidi, a leader in stem cell research, gave the camp an insight into his work.
Pluripotent stem cells, whether they are human embryonic stem cells or human-induced pluripotent stem cells coming from the somatic cells, really change the way, especially on regenerative medicine and developmental biology, but they are changing the way that we are studying these genetic disorders, and we now screen drugs and issues of toxicity.
Although the camp focused on discussion and education, there was also time for sightseeing, with organised trips into the old city of Jerusalem and Tel Aviv. There was even opportunity for a casual stroll through the markets. After 5 days and 35 lectures, the 2012 6th Asian Science Camp in Jerusalem, Israel was a huge success. With delegates making new friends and international contacts, it was the perfect inspiration for future young scientists.
If people from all over the world learn to talk to each other, work together, then we'll have a bright future.